Hey boy, I found time today. I miss you. I miss every one of you, Panvasva Nation, where my job is to simply remind you of something that you already know. That's the main point of this page. My job is to remind you of something that you already know. However, I need to clarify some clarifications and expagorate. Guys, I'm not a side chick. Makandinzwa ndichitaura nyaya dzechihururu pano pasocial. Nhasi maguru vanzwa isko, nhasi small house yanzwa isko, nhasi banguna naabhero vanzwa isko. I'm not a side chick that I promote and support. I just call a spade a spade. Ndo zviri kutoitika mulife medu, chihure chiri kutonga. Hazvireve kuti zvoni tiri kuchikurudzira. Ari kuhura ndiani? Handi vanhu. Ungaudza vanhu zvekuita. Isusu basa redu nderekukomenta nezvinhu zvinoitwa nevanhu. Kana vanhu mazuvano vachitongwa nechihururu, tinokomenta chihururu chiri kuitwa nevanhu. So, makandinzwa ndichitaura, hazvireve kuti ndakamaka mabig house. I can comment pachihururu because mahururu will take advice. You know, my small house and side chicks will take my advice because they listen and they don't judge. I don't really focus on married women and married J. I'm very good at it, but I do it privately because ndikauya panapa ndichida kukuudza kuti imba ino wangu. You're gonna wake up and say, hey, Zuva, hauna imba, saka ukwanisi kuudza vanhu vane marriage advice. Ndosaka ndisinganyanyobate zvemarriage team my husband this, my husband that. I do it privately because I've got some marriages up my sleeve, okay, that I help. But panapa kana uri panapa ndikujudge. I don't value you marital status yako. Your marital status don't matter mu boardroom. Your marital status doesn't matter in a classroom. Your marital status doesn't matter muswe graduation. I value a woman by her ability to make peace, ability to be an intercessor, and ability to be reproductive, and ability to not reproductive no, ability to be productive, you know, ability to reconcile people, be a peacemaker, 50 cents into a dollar, your ability to be a peacemaker, you know. When I look at women, ndotanga kutokuvalua nemabasa ako nezvaunoita, ndopandoti havanhu vakadzi. I will never look at a single person and say you are less of a woman, hey, hauna murume, as if the man is the prize. I ain't got nothing against you big houses. You're fighting the fight. Some of you are doing good. Some of you are, yeah, but it's a personal choice. But just because ndoramba panapa nchana zvoti nhasi chihururu zvadai ndiri kutaura zvinoitika mumastreets. But don't ever put me in some Zuva ihure ndosaka achipromota my small house nema side chick nechihure chevarume. Been there, done that, got a t-shirt. I've been single, I've been married, I've been divorced, I've been back and single and married and divorced. I'm good now. But I'm good, okay? When you're judging a woman, don't judge a woman because of her marital status. You judge a woman by her ability to make peace. Hey.